everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. I thought I'd take you along on my day today. I'm going to be extra busy, so I thought I'd show you a little bit of what my life is on this special day. It is graduation party day. So it's early, it's about 9 o'clock, and I thought I'd show you what I do throughout my day so far. Got a huge Diet Dr. Pepper because I think I'm gonna need it. Although I usually share it with my kids, I am needing it today for myself. So I probably have like 1,000 things to do, but today is the 3-day weekend at 50% off clearance at the thrift store at our I say local, but this is kind of out there, and I have to go here first, right? This place is awesome. 2 bags of clothes, and I got some good stuff. I mean, that good for Ezzy, and it was half that price, so like $2. So a lot of little shirts like this, and then mostly I was going in there for summer shorts. So let's just hope it now all fits the boys. Here's my kitchen. Getting everything ready, getting potato salads put and macaroni salads put in the back fridge. And listen, this is what our boys are doing. They're kind of bickering back there, but it's gonna be fun. Look at these busy bees are just helping me set up chairs now for the tables. It's nice and warm today. And then we just have to clean off the backyard here, just make sure there's no leaves, everything's clean, but it's looking good. Thanks, guys.
Oh, you're welcome.
We just took all of these out. You can kind of see the spots from this wall. This is from the playground that we had back here that we've had for way too long. So we're gonna make it into something beautiful. I want to what?
I said you want to go push this through all the screw holes and knock out those clasps that are holding the...
So, here it is. Looks great. We're gonna, you can envision pots of flowers. It looks great. We're just planting some flowers to make the backyard look super pretty. I love this little setup that we just purchased. You know, easy peasy, just plant it in the whiskey barrel. And then now I'm putting this one in one of these pots, and then we have another one that's going in here. So now we have, oh, these are beautiful, beautiful succulents. I'm loving succulents right now. So, getting things ready. So here's the buckets. They have the cement in there, nice and hardened. And here we go with the lights. So we're adjusting them to go up to the gazebo. We're gonna tighten these up a little bit more too, but they're gonna go around and around. So I just have to get those up in there. We have another box. Our family is starting to come in, but I wanted to show you. So we have here some rolls. Paul grilled a bunch of barbecue meats. Yum, yum. We have here some corn, some cheesy potatoes, some of this homemade barbecue sauce, plus, remember, my husband's favorite. I'm just making some barbecue sauce because I have to have those ready for our barbecue party, right? So like I said, it was really, really easy ingredients, and I've made it before. So it's gonna be, just remember, half, half, half. And that's how I do this. So I'm making one cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of ketchup, and then a half a cup of Worcestershire. And it's super easy. You're just gonna mix it, and it's wonderfully sweet. And I'm not a fan of a lot of barbecue sauces. I'm not a fan of smoke flavor. but this is nice and sweet, and it is so good. Like, I want to put more and more and more on it. So I have a few minutes, so I'm kind of taking a break from getting things ready and cleaning up to making some barbecue sauce. I'll show you what it looks like. I've already got the brown sugar. Here's 1 cup of ketchup. I'm gonna put another cup of ketchup and then the half a cup of Worcestershire. So I'm gonna make sure that sugar in there will pretty much melt in, right? Is that what it is? Melt, mix in. So easy. And it just smells good too. So this is pretty much in every barbecue sauce, this Worcestershire. But it is perfect for this sauce. Hello, I should have just took that little thing off, huh? Let me get the other ketchup and stir. And now it's just filling it up, filling up the containers. So easy. It just takes a couple of minutes, but this is one of those homemade features that I really think sets it off. Like, you put in the extra effort and people notice. So I'm just gonna have these on the tables for everybody to just, you know, load up their plates with their barbecue meats, and then of course they're gonna need more sauce. And this sauce is so good. Bomb even, right? And so now I have 4 bottles of these, and these just go in the fridge, and they can last for up to 2 weeks, maybe even more, because there's a lot of sugar in here, which is a natural, I don't want to say natural, but it's a preservative. So this could last, you know, as long as you need it to last, as long as ketchup lasts in the fridge, right? But I guarantee it won't last very long because it's just so good. You want to see what else I'm doing around here? I have a couple of salads out here. Fruit, macaroni salad, potato salad. Now those are store-bought. And this is the coconut cake. Coconut cake here. And here's the banana puddings. We have some more treats coming for this side. But we also have donuts. So lots of drinks here. Waters, drinks, and then here's the graduate. Say a hey.